People think all the manufacturing jobs have gone away. They haven't.
This is a pilot project, and we're really excited about the possibilities that this could go throughout the province.
The importance of Pathways to Production in this region is that it's helping people who are unemployed or underemployed back into employment.
We don't expect people to come in at an entry level with a skill set in welding or machine operator. We'll teach them, but it's the attitude that is most important.
Upon completion of the program, participants will have increased problem-solving skills, communication skills. They'll be exposed to certification programs. So at the end of this program, participants should have an increased confidence level and just be ready to take on their new job and really a new life.